Hey, it's Madison. Let's install the Walk the Plank push wall. Before starting, I made sure to mop the floor and Lysol the wall so the images can adhere properly. I'll start by cutting everything apart. After positioning the planks, I'll completely remove the backing and hover my image for a second to confirm placement. Then apply part of the plank to the floor, using my squeegee in a wave-like motion to guide it into place. Pro tip, if you're installing on a brick wall, use a hairdryer and squeegee after placing the images. The heat helps the adhesive conform to the texture, ensuring a stronger bond. And that's it!